Hi, I'm Roger Evenden. Thank you so much for watching the videos on this channel. Please support my work by linking, commenting, subscribing and sharing. You can learn more about enterprise architecture at my online academy. Details and a link are in the description text below this video. I just want to go quickly through the learning objectives and outcomes that you'll get from this course. You'll learn about the different architecture roles and find out which one you'd like to become. You'll understand what's expected of you as an enterprise architect. You'll complete detailed skills and experience inventories to identify your core strengths as an architect. You'll discover the advantages of becoming an enterprise architect, and you'll plan your career path to become a successful enterprise architect. And the course will help you to find your next job on the route to being a highly paid enterprise architect. After this introduction section, the course is divided into 6 sections, ending with a brief summary of all of the key points. The 6 main sections cover: what does an enterprise architect do? Is it the job for you? Why become an enterprise architect? What are the benefits for you? Do you have what it takes to be an enterprise architect? What are the best ways to assess your current skills and experience? What are the best ways to gain relevant knowledge, skills and experience? What's your action plan and career path for a successful enterprise architect career? What's the fast path to becoming an enterprise architect? And what is the best way to prepare for that all-important job interview? The 6 sections follow a natural progression, but you don't have to follow this sequence, and you can always skip any sections that you don't feel you need to take. The important point is that you can become an enterprise architect, but you will need to plan for this. So I've put together a set of worksheets which you'll come to as you go through the course. These will help you focus on the key points that will help you make the move to enterprise architect. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to link, comment, subscribe and share, and I look forward to seeing you again on this channel or at my online enterprise architecture teaching academy. Thank you.